Beardsley Bears, how
Good
are
morning, everybody.
It's Friday, October 23rd. Wow. One more week of October. Hard to believe.
Went so fast.
So fast. So boys and girls, we are going to start with our flag salute. I will hold up the flag and our great Miss Mata will lead us in the flag salute. So here we go.
Okay, everybody, please stand and put your right hand over your heart. Ready, begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
All right. Great job. Well, boys and girls, do we have a lot of exciting things to share with you today. We have a full week coming up, I tell you. I know so many of you have been working hard on your writing prompts. I know that your teachers are instructing you in the area of writing right now, so keep up the good work. I got to see some of you in class working on that, and I actually got to see some of the final products, so good job. Boys and girls, I have some exciting news to share with you that's going to be happening next week on October 28th, and that is our virtual, well, also kind of somewhat in person, drive-through book fair. So we are super excited. Thank you to Ms. Adams for putting this together. I hope that all of you have been already ordering books online. That information has been going out over the last 2 weeks. But on Wednesday, October 28th, from the hours of 2 p.m. to 4 p.m., that's 2 p.m. to 4 p.m., we are going to have our drive-through book fair. You are invited to wear your Halloween costume. You do not have to. This is not necessarily a Halloween event, but we want you to get a little bit of a use out of those costumes since it is a little different this year. We'll be having you drive onto the blacktop. We'll have safety measures put in place. And just as a reminder, only book packs will be able to be purchased at the drive-through book fair. If you are purchasing individual books online, those will not be available at the drive-through book fair. They will be mailed to your house if your parents did that. But if you are purchasing a book pack, they are available with the link, and we'll be sending that out again. So look out for that in your emails and ask your teachers. And also a reminder, only credit card, debit, or e-wallet will be accepted. We are not doing cash transactions. So make sure if you come, you tell your mom and dad, make sure you have your credit card because I can't give cash. But we hope you can all make it. Again, you can also purchase items online all the way up until November 5th and free shipping if you buy $25 of books or more.
Love that.
Yes, and books are a great investment. I used to always buy my kids books, still do, but I used to always buy them books when they were little.
There's nothing like a real book in your hand.
Is that not the truth? Is that not the truth? There's something about turning the page, and the pages get bigger on the one side than the other, right? Because you're almost done. So anyways, we hope to see you. Even if you don't purchase a book pack and you just want to drive by and say, hola, hi, how you doing? You are welcome to come by. We will have some staff here. You could ask your teacher if they'll be here. I'm not sure, but I know I'll be here. Are you going to be here, Miss Mata?
I'm going to be here, and I heard that there might be a little bit of candy that we might be able to hand out. Just for those that drive through.
Because I like candy. I like it a lot, you guys. A lot. We eat too much candy. But anyways, yes, so maybe we will see some friends. And even if you want to drive by, like Miss Mata said, and say hi, we welcome you. But we even have more exciting news for next week. So guess whose turn it is? Yeah, you're right. Da 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 da! Miss Mata!
Okay, everybody. So as if the book fair is not exciting enough, because that's so exciting, and I really hope that you purchase some books online. If you get them delivered to your house, that's like a present being delivered to your house. A box just for you, that would be so fantastic. And then you can still drive through and see us. Or if you want to buy books on campus here and that book pack, There is nothing like a real book. So that's so exciting. So the other thing happening next week is Red Ribbon Week. So if you know, every month, every year in the month of October, we celebrate Red Ribbon Week by celebrating being drug-free. So we have some activities that we will be doing virtually every day next week. So we're going to go through them real quick. So the theme for this entire Red Ribbon Week is be happy, be brave, and be drug-free. So that is the theme that we are sticking with for this month for Red Ribbon Week. So on Monday, we have our first theme. So we decided that we're going to have a tie-dye day. So I know tie-dye is big. I'm seeing tie-dye all over the place. I have maybe 1 or 2 pieces that I could wear that is tie-dye, colorful, not colorful. So Monday is be colorful and wear your tie-dye. Every day of the week, we are inviting you to send us your photos because we want to post them on our social media. Your teachers can send us, they can email us, your parents, you can inbox us on social media. We want to see lots of tie-dye on Monday. We are also going to be posting the flyer on our social media and sending it to your teachers so that way you know ahead of time every single day what to expect. So Monday, tie-dye. On Tuesday, we want you to wear your camouflage because we want you to hide from those drugs. We don't want you to be near them, so wear your camouflage. Anything that you have, t-shirt, shorts, pants, whatever you have. On Wednesday, we're going to celebrate being drug-free by wearing red. Anything that you have that is that color, wear red and send us those pictures. On Thursday, we are inviting you to wear your PJs. We know that sometimes your teachers want you to wear a shirt, at least comb your hair to come to class when you turn on your camera, but we're allowing you because we know you probably have your pajama pants on most of the time during your calls with your teacher, but this time we're letting you just wear all of your PJs. So that's on Thursday.
But make sure you're awake.
Yes, you have to be awake. Don't just roll out of bed and turn on your camera. Like to brush your teeth, comb your hair.
I want to smell your stinky breath, so make sure you brush it.
Because yeah, you might come through the screen. I don't know, the smell.
No.
Okay, and on Friday, since it's so close to Halloween on that day, we are inviting you to wear your costumes to your Zoom or your Google Meets with your teachers. If you are not buying a costume this year because you just think it's not a good idea, you are invited to wear Halloween colors. You can wear orange and black or just orange, whatever you want to do. So Monday, tie-dye. Tuesday, wear camouflage. Wednesday, wear red. Thursday, wear those PJs. And on Friday, Halloween colors or your costume. That is full of celebration for our Red Ribbon Week for this coming week.
Absolutely. Wow. And we still have more information to share.
We do.
Okay, hold on. We got to do a little wiggle.
So we got reading, the book fair, we got Red Ribbon Week, but
what do we have next Friday?
We are honoring our next round of Student of the Month. We have all been making so many wise choices. We are going to honor those students. So along with our wearing costumes to class, I don't know, we may wear our costumes to our assembly. You never know what we're going to show up in, but we're going to be announcing your Student of the Month names. So look for that next week because that's, I think, one of the most exciting assemblies, even though I know you love all of them. Student of the Month is pretty exciting. So that's for wise choices. And then we have one more for our middle schools. This was our incentive this month for the month of October. We are offering our movie day that will be at the end of next week as well. And I'm sure it's Halloween inspired. Not sure what the movie is yet, but for all of our middle schoolers, your incentive to earn this treat was to keep up on the amount of work for all of your classes and making sure they are turned in, all of your work. So teachers have been monitoring that. We've had many students turn in their permission slips. So if you have not done that yet, middle schoolers, please get those in so we can invite you to the Zoom movie day for getting all of your work done, because on the 27th, that is the cutoff day to get all of your work in. So check your Google Classrooms, check your Aries, wherever it is that you need to look, talk to your teachers for questions, and get all that in so we can have a great movie day together. And I think that's it. Whew, that was a lot.
Wow, we're going to have a really full last week in October, aren't we?
We sure are.
And I have, upcoming events. We have so many students and classes preparing for our Dia de los Muertos celebration that will be on November 2nd, Monday, November 2nd from 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. So thank you for all of you who are participating and those students who are going to be sharing and presenting your projects, as well as the parents. Thank you. We've had a lot of parent support in preparing for that and setup day. So thank you. But with all that said, I think it's time we get up, moving, because wow, this was an information assembly, wasn't it?
It was. So much fun going on.
I want to see Yom. Sakura.
I see you, Yom. I see Sakura too.
See? Oh, and I see Aiden, a couple Aidens, and Jennifer's, Kalea, Grace. Oh, is that Autumn? And oh, let me hold on. Hey, I see Miss Martha. Oh wait, that's silly me. Oh, and I see Miss. You know what I see today, Miss Martha? You know who I see today?
Oh,
I see some teachers.
Oh my God! We can't forget about our teachers.
Miss Sharon, Miss Martinez, and Miss Kate. Oh,
we miss you.
And Mr. Jeff Code and Miss Roque, Miss Neil. Oh my gosh, I see all of them. I see all of them.
Hi guys.
Miss O'Donnell and Miss Poser and Mr. Green, Mr. Ellison, Miss Gomez. Oh my gosh, the list goes on. I think I even saw Miss Mullen and Miss Moniz. Okay, boys and girls. Wow, it is so exciting to see all of you. Okay, if we can get started. Oh.
Uh-oh. I almost forgot too.
Okay. All right. And if I didn't say your name, I know you're out there. I just can't say everybody's name at one time. Okay. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Back, roll them back. And roll them forward. And reach for the ceiling. And touch your toes.
Oh my gosh.
Don't fall out of your seat.
So seat belted.
Okay, good. And march, walk, and run. Okay, and take a big breath. And now for our getting our wiggles out in 1, 2, 3. And one more time in 1, 2, 3. Okay, boys and girls, here we go. Now it's time. Now we're right on track. Okay. In. Are you ready?
Ready. Are you ready?
I'm ready. Are you ready? Okay.
I think everybody out there is ready.
I think so too. 1, 2, 3. I can and I will
have pride in myself and my school.
I can and I will
have a positive attitude.
I can and I will
make wise choices.
I can and I will act
safely. I can and I will. I can and I will. I can and I will.
Girls, make it a great Friday. Continue working hard today. And I think you get to be a little cozy this weekend because it's supposed to be a little cloudy. So enjoy your weekend. I hope you get lots of rest. What?
We forgot the most. Why are we wearing pink? Oh my gosh, there was so much news.
You're right. You know, right when we think we're almost just right there, we forget something.
Does anybody know why we're wearing pink today? Because I'm assuming that many of you are wearing pink today, and you may or may not have noticed that we're wearing pink.
I remember why.
I remember now too, but we forgot to mention it at the beginning.
Well, you know what the saying is, better late than never.
That is true.
And I love seeing all the pink, and I bet they're going to send in their pictures of all the pink, because today we are wearing pink because we are honoring and recognizing breast cancer awareness for those that have lost their lives and for those that are fighting the battle. We support you, and though it's a little gesture, we want you to know that we are here. We are here.
Cheering you on.
Aware of Breast Cancer Awareness Month. And boys and girls, remember, it's not just wearing pink to wear pink, but think about why you're wearing pink. And today, take a little time to reflect on why, because maybe you know somebody and you want to wear it for them. Because I know somebody and I'm wearing it for them. So thank you, Miss Mata, we would have went. We've been talking about it. We were super excited. We talked yesterday. What are you going to wear? We're going to wear pink. Why? We talked about it, and look.
Almost forgot.
Better late than never. So boys and girls, make sure that you send in those pictures. Teachers, send in those pictures of your classes of everybody wearing pink, because we want to be sure to post that and let people know that we are thinking about them and we are aware of breast cancer awareness. Okay, so with that said, we hope that you have a great rest of your Friday. Continue working hard. If you have tests today, remember, you can do it. We believe in you.
You can, you will.
Can do it. You. So have a great day. Have a great weekend, because the choice is
yours. Bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.